Apple has released iOS 26.3a beta, and this is honestly a bit unusual for Apple to push an update like this. If you are already on the iOS 26.3 beta, you will not find this update in the usual General, then Software Update section. Instead, you need to go into Privacy and Security, then scroll all the way down and tap on Background Security Improvements. And here you will see the new iOS 26.3a update. I will now install this update on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Once the installation finishes, it will ask you to restart your iPhone, so just go ahead and restart it. Now, the update is installed and the phone has rebooted. This is a very quick update and it can only be installed on iPhones that are running iOS 26.3 beta. If you check the build number, you can see it listed here, and interestingly, there are two different build numbers. One is for iOS 26.3 itself, and the other one is specifically for the background security update. There is no proper changelog mentioned for this update. It is mainly meant for testing purposes, so by installing it, you are basically helping Apple test the security and privacy on iPhones. If you want to remove this update, you can do that as well. Just go back into Privacy and Security, scroll to the bottom, tap on Background Security Improvements, and from here you can uninstall this update from your iPhone. We are still waiting for Apple to push iOS 26.3 Beta 2. It has been quite some time since Apple released the last beta update. This delay might be because of the holidays, but hopefully we will see the next beta sometime next week. Talking about iOS 26.3 Beta 1, it was a pretty minor update overall. The main addition was the new Transfer to Android option. Along with that, we also got the notification forwarding setting, and the wallpaper section now has a separate tab for astronomy and weather wallpapers. So that is pretty much everything about iOS 26.3 Beta 1. The link for this wallpaper will be down in the description. I keep sharing wallpapers like this, so do not forget to subscribe. Let me know if you received this background security update on your phone or not. And with that said, I will catch you in the next one.